Hi guys, welcome to my channel Reasoning and You. As we all know, reasoning is a very important aspect of the competitive exams. I shall help you solve all the various types of reasoning questions. Our topic for today is coding and decoding. As we all know, coding decoding follows a particular pattern. We have to find out the pattern and decode the questions. So the questions which I will be solving today, they will be displayed in the entire video, so it will be easy for you to follow me. In this question, EODGH is the code for BLADE. So what will be the code for CRISCAET? Here we can see that BELOAD, DG and EH, these all are very closer to each other in the alphabetical order. So what we have to do is we have to count how many places is E away from B. So it is B plus 3 is equal to E. In the same manner, all are plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, so L A D E plus 3 is O D G H. Now in the same manner we will find the code of cricket. So plus 3 we get F, plus 3 again, you plus 3 on all because this is the pattern followed by the first code. So we have to just follow the same pattern for cricket as well. So the answer for this is F U L F N H W. So this is the correct answer for this. I will give you one more example. In this question, RETAIL is coded as UFSBGM. As we all can see from the given options, we can conclude that these letters are derived in the format of plus 1. But the two letters, the first and the third letters, are interchanged. So S, which is followed by R, is placed in the third position, and U, which is followed by T, is placed in the first position. E is placed in the same position as F. B is placed in the same position as A. J is placed in the same position as I, and M is placed in the same position as L. In the same way, we can find out what will be the code for expect, EXEPECT. So F, which is followed by E, will be in the third place. Y, which is followed by X, will be in the second place. So you can see the format. Q, which is followed by P, will be in the first place. Now again, F is followed by E, so this will again be in the same place as E. D is followed by C, so this will again be in the same position as C. U is followed by T, so this will again be in the same position as T. So these two questions which I have shown you all are simple questions, some with interchangeable format and plus 1 format. Next I will be showing you all another question. Okay, in this sentence we have PUTTIR and FIN coded as delicious juicy fruit Then we have Thai dip sig coded as beautiful white lily, and SIG sig lawn fin coded as lily and fruit. So we have to find what is the code for and. Sometimes in these types of question, the same word are repeated for different codes. So it is sometimes difficult to find out just by looking at it. So now what we will do is, we will just underline the common words which are used. Alright. So see, here you can see fruit is in the first sentence as well in the third sentence. Alright. Lily is in the second sentence as well as in the third sentence. But and it is not in any of the sentences over here. So we can conclude from the third sentence alone that since lily and fruit, they are already coded as fin and sig. So and will be coded as LON. Simple as that. You have to just find out by looking at it, and then you can get the answer. I will show you one more example, and then you can have your questions. If you have any queries, you can ask me regarding the same. Alright, in this sentence, in this question, LAKETA is coded as go and swim. The next code is NELASC is coded as you swim here. And then the last one is PEKENENTA coded as he and you go. So they have asked us what would be the code for here. Now since we can see here is in the second sentence, so we directly start finding out from the second sentence itself. Alright. So the first word over here is you. So we will underline you. Alright. If you is there in the third sentence. So the code of you is NE, the code of you is NE. We can derive it, okay? Now swim. We underline swim. Swim is in the second sentence, and swim is also common in the first sentence. So the codes for swim is LA and TA. Alright. Now here we have here, HERE, sorry, and it's not seen anywhere in other sentences. So we can conclude that SE is the code for HERE. I hope the video was helpful to you. I shall be putting up videos every week so that I can help you more with the reasoning questions. If you have any questions, you can comment below, and you can also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.